Really wanna live in a log cabin with you, just as long as we can share each other's books. Really think it's a good idea now, seeing as neither of us have the looks. Look at our pics turning around us. We can fill the cabin with African headrests. We could buy a pizza and pretend we are surfers. La la la, 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 la. Really love your face in the afternoon glow as we watch the sun sinking low. Don't wanna talk, because talk makes us cheap, and this moment of clarity I want to keep. The pigs could die of malnutrition, African breasts could think as sad, the Beatles engine could blow. The story will be about us.
But perhaps we no longer really believe in flawless heroes or that good always triumphs over evil.
trying to protect ourselves.
You were my only friend.
Madness.
Now you're a fish finger.
Gyda'r readre a ddyffrynnoedd coelio, rosti'r moel, a gyffanodd syni, mae'n edrych ar ei ddigon talu,
O laeth cydain laeth gynllaeth na, o law gewn anghol i'r ein anghol. Awer deigr hylythyr yn hwyliau ar un, awer ysgrys hyd ar hwydau, awer gwau yn blaen i'r cwyd, awer gledw ar blaen.
Cytuno rap I ffanwyr Cymru felly Hoger. Beth I fel G-Man?